Hi, this is Ravi again, and this is another guiding tutorial to build a project from the Python projects book. Now, this project is called the Robot Builder, and it is on page number 72 of the book. So I have the book with me, and I have scanned it. So you can see on the left hand side of the screen is the Robot Builder page. So what I'm trying to do from this video is to help you on how to look at the book and make your code, right? Because it is a little challenging. Now for this you should know the basics of Python. You should know turtle module, the basic turtle commands like forward, left, right. Um, you should know in Python the basics, variables, functions, and loops. If you know all that, then this code is very easy for you. So let's see what it says. It's creating a robot like this shown here with a red body and a red face and arms, white arms and blue feet. Okay, using the turtle module. If we can observe each part of the body of the robot here, the face, the body, and even the arms are all rectangles, right? So these are all rectangles essentially, and that's what they have done. They just made a function which builds a rectangle. The function takes in parameters for length and breadth, and for the x and y axis for of the origin of the rectangle. So you just need to put the appropriate parameters because every rectangle here, that is the face, the body, has a different point of origin, x and y axis, and has different length and breadth. So let's go through the steps and try to make this tutorial or this project. So now here there's a flowchart. It's very easy. It says start, set the background color and turtle speed, draw the feet, draw the legs, draw the body, the arms, neck, head, eyes, and mouth, and that's it. So let's go with this. Let's go to step one, which is creating a new file. I've already created and saved my file. Okay, I've used the shell and I've created and saved my file. You can do so at your end. Step 2 is very easy. It is just import turtle as t. Okay, now that's it. So t is the turtle. Now step 3 is the main function that I was talking about. The main function for this program is the rectangle function. So let's just type the code here. Rectangle, and parameters are horizontal, vertical, which is the length, the breadth, and the color. Okay, so that is that. Now here we do t dot pen down, DOWN, and then we do t dot pen size to show the thickness of the ink being used. T dot color is the color mentioned in the parameter above here. Color, this color is the color here. T dot begin fill. And now this is where we are making the rectangle. So for counter in range 1,3, t dot forward, how much you have to go forward by? The distance mentioned in the horizontal variable. Okay, it can be 100 or 200 or whatever. T dot right 90, t dot forward again vertical, and t dot right. So I'm just going to copy paste these two lines for simplicity, and here I'll remove horizontal and put vertical. Okay, now once the for loop is done, I do t dot end fill and then t dot pen up. If you didn't understand the function fully, that's okay. We will understand once we do the whole code. Now the step number 4 here, it says set the background color. Okay, now what is it written here? Next, you have to open your book. In my scanned version, I'm not able to see the color, so I'm going to go to my book and check what color is here. That is step number 4. So step number 4 has T dot pen up and T dot speed slow and T dot BG color dodger blue. Uh, so we are going to do this right after this function. Make sure there is no indent, and then you treat T dot pen up, T dot speed slow, T dot BG color, that is step 4. Now step 5 is building the robot. So first let's make the feet. Okay, you write T dot go to 100 minus 100 comma minus 150. So this point is on minus 100 for the x-axis and minus 150 for the y-axis. Okay, rectangle. Now the function rectangle is being called this function here. If you have written here, this will be called here in this line rectangle, and we need 3 parameters: horizontal, vertical, and color. So we are putting in the values 50, 20, and blue. So 50 for horizontal, 20 for vertical, and blue. Now the next line is T dot go to minus 30 minus 150, and again a rectangle. So I'll just copy paste these two lines. Let's change the values here: minus 30 minus 150, and rectangle is again 50, 20, and blue, because you're drawing the feet. This is to draw the left foot, this is to draw the right foot, and both the foot have same sizes 50, 20, and the color blue. So both the foot, I mean obviously both foot should be the same size rectangles and same color. So that is why we have the same thing for both the feet. Alright, so yeah, foot is something commonly used by one of my student, Arjun. I don't know, it sounds very funny for him. So there you go, Arjun. Foot. Now after drawing the foot, point number 6 is to draw the legs. Okay, then you have T dot go to minus 25 comma minus 50. So you have to go to that coordinate. See this thing on the book. Okay, it shows the coordinates. I've explained this to students in my class, so I'm not going to go through this again. So basically, when you open Turtle starts at coordinate 0, 0. The horizontal is called the x-axis. The vertical line is called y-axis. Okay. If I say go to minus 25 minus 50, I'm going in the third quadrant. So minus 25 here and minus 50 somewhere over here. Okay, this is some point and I want the turtle to go to. Okay, now let's just follow the steps. And then rectangle. So why not I just copy paste this, and rectangle is 1500 in gray. You have EY 100 1500 in gray. Go to minus 55 minus 50 minus 50, and again it is minus 1500 and gray. So that's that for the legs. Now step number 7 is to draw the body of the robot. Body, now again just copy this, minus 90 comma 100, and you need a rectangle, a big rectangle of size 100. Horizontal is 100, vertical is 150, so it's a long rectangle because vertical is more than horizontal, and red in color. So this is the body. Okay, that's it. Now draw the arms. Now again, I'll have to refer to my book because the scan thing doesn't look appropriate. So go to arms, go to -150, -150, comma 70, positive 70. Rectangle is 60 horizontal, vertical it is 15, and it is gray in color. Okay, that is now another thing. I'm just copy pasting the same thing. So it is -150, comma 110, and you have 15, 40, and gray. So 40 is 15, 40, and gray. Okay, so that is for the upper right arm and lower right arm. Okay, arms, upper right and lower right. Now we want to draw arms, that is upper and lower left. So in the same step 8, we just have to copy paste all that. What is written, you have to look at the book and type. Here I am just copy pasting, but you have to look at the book and type. Okay, so here it is 10 and 60, 15 gray, which is the same, and you have t dot go to 55, 100, 55, 110, and rectangle 15, 40 gray. So it is the same thing. Now step number 9 is to draw the neck. Okay, for neck you need t dot go to and -50, comma 120, and then rectangle 15, 20, and gray in color. Okay, and then you have head. T dot go to -85, 170, and then rectangle 80, 50, red. So that is that, I think. Everything is done. Now the eyes are remaining. Okay, so let's go and draw the eyes, but you have to write the code eyes, and now t dot go to, you have to go to -60. You see eyes is on step number 11. Okay, so -60, comma 160, and rectangle function, parameters 30 for horizontal, 10 for vertical, and color is white. If you remember, the eyes here are white. Okay, t dot go to, and the center of the eye is black, so -55, comma 155. If the eyes part is confusing for you, don't write the code for it first just run this much and then you check. So rectangle 5, comma 5, comma black, and here you have t dot go to -40, comma 155, and rectangle 5, comma 5, comma black. Okay, now eyes is done. Now let's go to the last step, I think. Yeah, draw the mouth. Okay, t dot go to -65, comma 135, rectangle 40, comma 5, comma black. Okay, that's all done. So when we run the code, the turtle should draw a robot. After drawing the robot, I don't want the turtle to be seen, so I do hide turtle, like so. Okay, save the code. Now let's run the code here again. If there are no errors, it will run. So there is no error. First it is drawing the legs, then foot, and then the legs, and then the body. Oh, something is wrong over there. So yeah, see, the body rectangle has been drawn wrongly. Okay, and then there are some more errors. So let's check the code again. I think the go-to for the body, go-to coordinates are wrong. So let's recheck. So I'll scroll in the code, I'll go up minus 90 minus 100. So let's go back to the book and see what the go-to command for the body is. So here it says minus 90 comma 100 and I have written minus 90 comma minus 100. I corrected it. So now that should be fine. And there were some more errors here after drawing. Hide turtle. Rectangle 45 black. Let's run the code to see if the body part is working properly. So legs are being drawn. Yeah, the body is now at the proper place. Arms are also fine. Neck is also fine. The face is fine, and now I get an error. So let's go and debug this error. It is normal for people to get errors, okay? You can also get errors, but you should know how to debug the error. So now when I see a big error message, I don't want to go into the specifics. I will just focus on the last line. It says bad color string while. So I think while mentioning the color as white, I have mentioned it while. So my spelling mistake caused me a big error. So white, and that should solve the error. Let's run the code now again for the one last time. One last time. Legs, and then the body, and the arms. Okay, neck, and this thing. Eyes are now proper. Face is also, yeah, that's good, and no error. See, so there's no error now. Where is it gone? Yeah. So this is it. Sometimes you may not see anything because you have not clicked on the Python launcher here. Only then can you see the turtle code. Okay, so that's that for the code. I hope you can build the robot builder. Okay, thank you. Bye.